In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Todoist data. If you've been working on projects within Todoist and want to ensure you have backups or simply need to review your data outside the app, exporting is a great way to achieve that. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Todoist website by typing in todoist.com in your search bar. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see a login button, typically towards the top right corner of the screen. Click there to proceed to the login page. Now, Todoist offers several ways to log in, but for this example, I'm going to choose the option to continue with Google. Simply click on Continue with Google, and you'll be prompted to select your account. Choose the account associated with your Todoist, and you'll be logged in instantly. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your Todoist homepage. On the left side of the page, there's a handy menu where you'll find a variety of drop-downs and options. Look for the Projects drop-down menu and click to expand it. Here's where all your projects are listed. For our demonstration today, I'll click on my sample project list. Once you're viewing your project, look towards the top right corner beside your project name and you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is a common icon indicating additional options and settings, so go ahead and click it. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see the option to export as CSV. CSV files are particularly useful because they can be opened in most spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Click on Export as CSV and a prompt will appear confirming your action. Click on the Export button in the prompt and your browser will soon download your file. To find it, check the Downloads section of your browser. It's generally found in the bottom bar, or you can go directly to your computer's Downloads folder. There, you'll see the newly downloaded CSV file containing your Todoist project data. Go ahead and click on the file to open and review it. This is a great way to analyze or share your data without needing to give access to your Todoist directly. Once you've reviewed your data and ensured everything looks correct, simply close the file when you're done. And there you have it. You now know how to successfully export your data from Todoist. This process is incredibly helpful whether you're switching tools, collaborating with others, or just keeping a backup. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.